Welcome to my channel. So if you want to know how to make this yummy soft luscious okpa, hot okpa, fluffy okpa, please sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. So I have my onion and peppers. I blended them. Use to your preferred taste. I used one bulb medium of onion and peppers. So this is how the okpa looks after grinding. So it's time to filter it. You take a large bowl, wrap your cheesecloth around it. You can get this from those that sell zobo and then other things in the market. So you just pour it in bit by bit and rub your hands into it to extract the chaff from the main okpa, because you want your okpa to come out very yummy and nice, soft without any roughness. So this is it after sieving. This took me about 15 minutes. So I measured out 5 cups of the okpa. Now you are going to open your ladle and set aside. This ladle is the one for okpa. It's stronger than the one for semo. So this is how it looks like. So you open them and set aside. And now to the mixing. Add in your pepper mix. Let it be blended smoothly. Then add in 1 cup of red oil. Correct red oil, thick red oil. Emphasis on that, because this gives your okpa that lusciousness. So you add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Then go in gradually with your lukewarm water. Add gradually 1 cup at a time. So I used 5 cups in total for these 5 cups of okpa flour. So you mix it in gradually, and with this you will not have any lumps in your okpa, trust me. So you mix it in gradually until you have your desired texture. With 5 cups of lukewarm water, you'll have your perfect texture, trust me. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching, and if you're new here, please click the red subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. So like and share this video to your friends, to whoever you think should watch this. Yes, thank you. So it's time to wrap into your ladles. So exactly as seen, I used my half cup and I measured just about 1 cup for each. So you wrap them into 2 ladles so that you know to avoid storage that touch. Let it not burst in the water. So after 10, you are transferring immediately into an already boiling pot of water. So let the sizes be medium sized, so they can cook faster and you have that nice okpa shape. So after 30 minutes, I opened it to check whether it's okay, and it's okay. Wow. Can you imagine having okpa on a Saturday morning with pap? Just think about that. So this is it after 30 minutes. When you see that the ladle is already puffing up and separating, you know it's ready. So to the pap, akamu, what's okpa without akamu? If you're having it for breakfast, or with gari if you're having it for lunch. Mix your akamu into a nice medium texture paste. The thicker your paste, the thicker the outcome of your akamu. So I want it medium in between. So this is what I got. So you add in your hot water gradually until it gets thick and you stop adding. This one you have to make use of your sense of sight and feeling to know when it's actually ready. But literally by observation you'll know when it's ready and you should stop adding hot water. So this is it. Add in your sugar and you're good to go. And you can add in milk if you want to be extra. So enjoy. Though we had this on a Friday morning, no. So you can have this anytime during the week, anytime, whether as breakfast, as lunch, or as dinner, and you'll enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.